Now, similarly, compressive strength. Compressive strength basically applied force means compressive force. Then reduction in the length per unit length is known as compressive strength. So here compressive strength basically in similar fashion. Suppose this load applied on this fashion. So here suppose we want to change the color. Okay. Suppose this is the original component. So here we applied in this manner. So load obtained here in that manner. Okay. So this is the compressive. So here this is the original and this is the minus delta L upon L naught. This is the minus delta L. So here compressive strength EC is equal to minus delta L upon L naught. Okay. Now here we want to discuss if applied force is compressive force. Suppose here applied force is the compressive force means PC. Here applied force compressive force. Here this is the tensile force. So this is the PT. Okay. Now, if applied force is compressive force, compressive load, then a reduction in the length per unit length is called compressive strength. Is called compressive strength. Now it is negative. I have already told you this is negative means minus delta L upon L naught.